Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Bhattacharjee. From my team, I am going to start the presentation. Soon the other team member will join and continue till the end. Welcome to our presentation on AI-powered passenger flow and queue management at Heathrow Airport. Today we will explore how intelligent systems are transforming Britain's busiest aviation hub to improve operational efficiency and passenger experience through predictive operations. Let's turn our attention to the next slide. To understand the scale of challenges Heathrow faces, it's important to recognize the operational magnitude of the airport. The chart highlights the operational magnitude of a major international airport. On the left, we see that Heathrow operates across 4 terminals, managing approximately 1,300 flights per day. This level of activity is supported by a workforce of around 76,000 employees. The airport hosts 89 airlines, connecting passengers to 214 global destinations. Annually, Heathrow serves approximately 79.2 million passengers and contributes around £7.1 billion to the UK economy. Despite its scale and importance, Heathrow faces several critical operational challenges. First, capacity constraints. Second, as you can see in the picture, the British Airways occupying 45% of all slots, which creates dependency and risk, which is called dominant carrier effect. And third, peak pressure remains a major issue. I will now take you through the next slide. This chart highlights the impact of Heathrow's key operational challenges. Queues can reach 2.5 hours with surges of 500 plus passengers from large aircraft arrivals. Staffing mismatches cause delays, with security waits up 45 to 19 minutes. This issue results in missed flights, £4.2 million in compensation. And there is a number which is approximately 340%, which is basically a threshold increase in queue-related complaints, indicating a significant deterioration in the passenger experience during peak periods. So these challenges provide the context for understanding the need for smarter AI-enabled system to optimize passenger flow, reduce congestion, and maintain service quality. I would now like to invite my colleague to proceed with more information about the presentation.
Okay, it explains the technology architecture of the AI-based airport system, and it is built on three main pillars. Actually, four. First, common vision and IoT sensor are used to collect real-time data. AI cameras track passenger movement without using facial recognition, so that we can protect their privacy. Thermal and depth sensor improve accuracy, while IoT sensors monitor temperature, air quality, and noise level in the airport. Second, the predictive analytics. This is used to predict passenger flow hours in advance. It combines information from flights, weather, live queues, and events. This system updates continuously and can detect unusual patterns easily. The third one, the digital twin simulation, creates a virtual model of the airport. This allows managers to test different scenarios such as delay or crowd congestion and check staffing needs before applying decision in real operation. Yes, can you move to next slides? Okay, and the first one and the most important one, this is the integration of the Airport Operational Control Center, also known as EPOC. EPOC acts as a central command center where all airport operations are monitored in one place. It provides a centralized operation dashboard that shows real-time data, which we can see on the diagram from all systems. AI-based recommendation helps manager to decide where resources like staff or counters are needed. The system also supports real-time collaboration between airlines, security members, and their other partners. In addition, automated alert notifies staff about emerging issues such as congestion or delay. By combining all these features, it improves coordination, speed up decision making, and increase overall operation efficiency at the airport. Now, my next member will going to clarify more things.
We talk about the technical foundation and continuous intelligence. So imagine an airport where long queues and delays barely exist. So our artificial intelligence system makes it possible for real-time dashboards and alerts to keep the staff ahead of issues while all systems are connected in the cloud for seamless coordination. So, trained on 18 months of passenger data, the artificial intelligence continuously learns and adapts instantly, recommending actions like the relocating staff when delays occur. So the result is that the operations become proactive, decisions are faster, and passengers enjoy a smoother and more efficient journey. So we move over to the next slide, please. Here we have the transformative impact across five the five dimensions. So here the Heathrow is transformating across five areas, which are smoother passenger journeys, the smarter and leaner operations, the predictive tools keeping the security and the gates ready, seamless collaboration through the operations center. We also have the data-driven planning that future-proofs the airport. So Heathrow isn't just efficient; it's shaping the future of air travel. So I'll hand over to my next colleague.
Yeah. This next slide is talking about navigating ethical complexity and societal responsibility. That's the challenging and how it can be minimized or solved. So, as Heathrow Airport adopts AI-driven systems like the Airport Operational Control Center, it is important to consider not just the efficiency, but also the ethical and societal implications of these technologies. And one major ethical challenge is data privacy. All systems rely on large volumes of passenger, like a lot of people and operational data to make real-time decisions. So Heathrow has a responsibility to ensure that this data is handled diligently and transparently and securely also, and in compliance with regulations such as GDPR, so that passengers' personal information is not misused or exposed. And another concern also is algorithmic bias and fairness. AI based resource recommendations or automated alerts may unintentionally prioritize certain flights, routes, or passengers. You get routes or passengers over others. It is not carefully, if it's not carefully monitored, it could lead to an unfair human oversight, and this remains essential. This is why human oversight remains essential, and AI should support decision making, not replace accountability. And there's also a broader societal responsibility around workforce impact. While AI improves efficiency and resilience, it may change job roles within airport operations. Heathrow must balance automation with reskilling and upskilling staff. They must make sure that their staffs are well trained and up to date according to the level of how to upskill their activities, and ensuring that employees are also supported rather than displaced. So the most important thing is that transparency is key. Passengers and stakeholders should understand when AI is being used and how decisions are being made. Ethical AI adoption builds public trust, which is essential for long-term success. Yeah.
All right, I'll be talking about the clear thinking and smart ideas of the teamwork. In Heathrow Airport has successfully used AI to improve operational, which was built on carefully planning innovative idea and excellent teamwork among everyone involved. So the step-by-step plan is that, the change were implemented in four carefully planned steps, allowing the teams to test each stage thoroughly before expanding it. This structure approach ensuring that each part of the system work efficiently and then reduce the risks of the problem. The second one, which is the planning for problem. Possible risks were anticipated in advance. Heathrow Airport kept old system running along the new AI system and had manual backup ready. This carefully preparation meant that any potential issue could be managed without disputing operation. So what it's trying to say here is that why they are creating new system, the whole system they did not forfeit it. They are still like using it. So in as much they are using it, if the old one didn't work out, they already have backup for it, which is the hold system, and then designing for passengers. Passengers were actively involved in testing the new digital service by collecting feedback and focusing on users' experience. Heathrow made sure that the service were clear, easy to use, and met the need for travelers, which encouraged more people to adopt the new solution. If travelers are finding it hard for them to use the system, it's going to be a lot for them. But the Heathrow Airport make it easy for travelers to make the use of the system, and then they really enjoyed it. So working together as a team is a very big task and a very big thing that let me just say collaboration was the key. Staff coordinated closely with airline and government group, which allow for smooth information sharing and then fast decision making. The teamwork ensured that all stakeholders were aligned, and then they could respond quickly to any challenges. So in the group reflection, so this is what I'll be talking about. For this, what we learn from the project. From this project, we gain a historic understanding on how AI can transform complexity operations, such as those in an airport, by making processes more efficient and response. We also recognize the critical importance of integrating data across different systems, using predictive analytics to anticipate issue and ensure alignment and collaboration across multiple departments to make the AI implementation successful. Yeah.
Yeah, uh, adding to what you just said, another important discussion point was fairness and accountability. We reflected on the risk of algorithmic bias in AI-based resource allocation and decision support systems. The group agreed that although AI can enhance decision making, human oversight is essential to ensure fairness as well. So we can't just wave it over because of the AI that is in place. This prevents unintended discrimination and maintain accountability for critical operational decisions. So if there's anyone that wants to add more things to the discussion, you can go ahead.
Okay, so I'll say something about the challenges we faced. So to wrap that up, I'll just say artificial intelligence, it brings powerful opportunities, but balancing privacy, fairness, work readiness, and system integration is key to ethical and effective adoption. So
Yeah,
I think that's what I have to say about the challenges.
yeah,
Okay, I want to add one thing which is very important, which is based upon our communication. It really helped us quickly resolve any difference in research or understanding. We also use a shared tool which really help us to get to the project, and by working together, we learned the importance of using each team member's different skills and strengths, which made our problem-solving process more effective. That's what I am want to add. Anyone else?
Well, actually, you guys already discussed few important things, and I just want to add one thing that we learned the value of the leveraging our diverse strengths, combining different skill and perspectives to solve our problems more effectively and produce a stronger outcome. Well, if we go to our next slide about the references, and I want to share a few information that all references used in this project follow proper Harvard referencing style and are alphabetically ordered to ensure academic clarity. And we include full publications details and cover a wide range of disciplines like including computer science, business management, ethics, law, and aviation. The sources spans from the 1992-2024 as I described in this slide. And thank you for your time. I am Shantanu Bhattacharjee from my team. I am concluding my presentation here on AI-powered passenger flow and QE management at Heathrow Airport.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank
Uh,
you.
yeah.